Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss the top 10 editorial word from the date of 17th February 2022. First, beacon, beacon. Beacon means a fire or light set up in a high or prominent positions as a warning, signals और celebrations, जिसको कि हम प्रकाश स्तंभ भी कहते हैं. And the synonyms of beacons are beam, signals, lighthouse, light tower. These are the synonyms of beacon, beacon, beacon. Second, quartile, curtail. Quartile. Quartile means reduce in extent or quantity or impose a restrictions on something. ओके, घटाना, काटना, इस सेंस में कर्टेल को यूज किया जाता है. curtail, कर्टेल. And the synonyms of quartiles are reduce, cut, decrease, lessen, diminish, shorten. These are the synonyms of quartile. Next, ramifications. Ramification. Ramifications. Ramifications means a complex or unwelcome consequences of an actions or events. So ramifications meaning is a complex or unwelcome consequences of an actions or events. And the synonyms of ramifications are consequence, results, aftermath, outcomes, effect, etc. Okay. Fourth, litigants. Litigant. Litigant means a persons involved in a lawsuits, जो कि विवादित पर्सन्स को डिफाइन करता है लिटिगेंट. litigant. Litigant means a persons involved in a lawsuit. And the synonyms of litigants are contestant, contender, petitioners, appellants. All these are the synonyms of litigants. Fifth, hierarchy. Hierarchy. Hierarchy means a system in which members of an organization or societies are ranked according to relative status or authorities. Okay, hierarchy means a system in which members of an organization or society are ranked according to relative status or authority. And the synonyms of hierarchy are ranking, grading, ladder. Synonyms. These are the synonyms of hierarchy. hierarchy. Next, aggrandize. Aggrandize. Aggrandize means increase the power, status or wealth of someone. Okay, aggrandize. Aggrandize. शक्ति, संपत्ति तथा पद के वृद्धि करने के सेंस में एग्रेंडाइज को यूज किया जाता है. एग्रेंडाइज. एग्रेंडाइज मीन्स इंक्रीज द पावर, स्टेटस और वेल्थ ऑफ समन्स. सेवेंथ, ओसीफाई. ओसीफाई. ओसीफाई मीन्स टर्न इनटू बोन्स और बिकम रिजिड, हड्डी बन जाना. ओके, एंड द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ ओसीफाई आर harden, solidify, rigidify, stagnant. These are the synonyms of ossify. Ossify. Eighth, prescient. Prescient. Prescient means having or showing knowledge of events before they take place. Having or showing knowledge of events before they take place. In that sense we use prescient. 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 And the synonyms of prescient are predictive, visionary, prognostic, apocalyptic. These are the synonyms of prescience. Okay, ninth, scrutiny. Scrutiny means critical observations or examinations. In that sense we use scrutiny. Scrutiny. And the synonyms of scrutiny are inspections, survey, scan, study, search. These are the synonyms of scrutiny. Last word is menace. menace. Menace means a person or thing that is likely to cause harm a threat or a danger. In that sense we use menace, menace, menace. Okay, and the synonyms of menace are danger, peril, risk, hazard, threat, jeopardy. These are the synonyms of menace, menace. Okay, thank you.